So last class we were discussing about tag DNA polymerase. Okay, tag DNA polymerase is having one disadvantage, that it is less accurate. Less accurate means it is what is the function of polymerase? Polymerase will add new nucleotides by taking unstrand as a template, and it will synthesize a new copy of DNA. How does it will add? It will add based on the complementary. It will, if the A is there in the template, it will add T. If G is there, it will add C, like that, and vice versa. But the disadvantage of tag DNA polymerase is it will add one wrong nucleotide for every 9,000 nucleotides. Okay, this is very bad. So if why it will add wrong nucleotide? Because it will lacks 3' to 5' exonuclease activity or proofreading activity. That is the biggest disadvantage of tag DNA polymerase. Now what we have to do when we have to amplify long fragment of DNA? So if it will be useful only if we have the small segment of the DNA. So if you can't use tag DNA polymerase when you want to amplify long length of DNA. Only for a only for a length of within 1000 base pair you can use this one, because it will add one wrong nucleotide for every 9,000 nucleotide. You can't use this particular tag DNA polymerase for longer sequences. Okay, then what is the solution now? The solution is usage of high fidelity DNA polymerases. High fidelity means, so high fidelity DNA polymerase you need to use instead of the tag DNA polymerase. Now we will discuss what is meant by fidelity. Fidelity means precision or accuracy with which nucleotides are added into new copy of DNA. Okay, so precision means how exactly it will add. How exactly it will add, or how accurately a DNA polymerase will add nucleotide. It is known as the fidelity. Fidelity, that means in other way we can tell that if it is high, if that particular DNA polymerase is having high fidelity, it should not mismatch any. It will not do any mismatch while addition of the nucleotides. Now you come to know what is meant by fidelity. Fidelity means how precisely, how accurately you can add the DNA polymerase will adding the nucleotides into the new copy of DNA. That means the DNA polymerase should always add when A is there in the template, it should add T with 2 hydrogen bonds, and if T is there in the template, it should add A nucleotide with the 2 hydrogen bond. Similarly, if G is present, G base is present in the template, at that point it should add C with 3 hydrogen bond, and if C is present in the template, it should add G with 3 hydrogen bond. That means only A and AT base pairing or G3 base pairing should be there, and there is no other interaction should be there in the nucleotide. That is actually defines the fidelity. Okay, now other property of the high fidelity DNA polymerases are, so it is very accurate. The high fidelity DNA polymerases are accurate in reading of template DNA sequence. Okay, this is obvious. It should read properly. If A is there, it should read only it has A, and then when it is read as A, it will add T. Okay, if it reads A as G, then it will add C. No, that means the polymerase should have the accuracy of reading the template of DNA sequence. It should read the template sequence accurately. And second important thing is, once it has been read, so it will add the preferential binding of correct nucleotides. That means it should add only T. So once it read it as A, it should add only T. So once it has read A, it should not add T, G or C. It should add only the T. That is known as the preferential binding of correct nucleotides. And this is the thing, one thing, that it should add the correct nucleotide, and second thing, it means that it should add the specified double hydrogen bonds only. If A is there, it should add only the 2 double bonds. So if A is there, so if A is there in the template and it has recognized A as the base, then it will add only T with 2 double bonds. It should not add 3 double bonds over here. Like that, if G is there, it should add C only with 3 hydrogen bonds in between. So here it will add 2 hydrogen bonds, here it will add 3 hydrogen bonds, and this particular ratio should be maintained properly. That is another important property of high fidelity DNA polymerase. So why does the high fidelity occur? High fidelity occurs in the DNA polymerase because of the proofreading activity. What is meant by proofreading activity? Proofreading activity is nothing but the 3' to 5' exonuclease activity. So what is the advantage of this particular proofreading activity? Due to this activity, the polymerase recognizes any mismatched nucleotide and replaces with correct one. For example, say we have a sequence over here. So you see A to T, T to A, G to C, G to C, A to T, and here what happened? There is a mismatch. So what should be there here? It should be A, but here the polymerase has added C. So now what this particular polymerase will do is, it will activate its proofreading activity. Proofreading means 3' to 5' exonuclease. So polymerization is occurring from 5' to 3' direction. So once it finds mismatch, it will activate the proofreading activity. When it activates the proofreading activity, so exonuclease activity. Exonuclease means removal of the nucleotide. So here at the terminal end C was there. At the terminal end C was there. So 3' to 5' exonuclease. So it will remove this particular C from here. Okay, and then it repairs and makes the proper match. See, now T to A pairing has been done. Now you can make out that there is a correct nucleotide added over here. So this is the advantage of high fidelity DNA polymerases. Okay, now coming to the examples of high fidelity DNA polymerase. First one is PFU DNA polymerase. PFU DNA polymerase is isolated from Pyrococcus feras. It's an archaebacteria and it is having the proofreading activity. PFU DNA polymerase. Second example is Super-Phi 2 enzyme, and this particular enzyme is provided by the Thermo Fisher company. And it is a patented one, that's why they have not disclosed anything about this particular enzyme. Similarly, we have another 2 enzymes. One is Prime Star XL, another one is Prime Star Max. Both of them are provided from the, or they are synthesized from the Takara company. Okay, here also because of the copyright and they have not disclosed this particular enzyme from where they have isolated. This is regarding the high fidelity DNA polymerases. So application is they are highly accurate and precise.